welcome to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll create 4 easy low buns that you can recreate in minutes. So let's jump in with our first one. We want to brush our hair and make a very low ponytail. I like to use clear elastics and to double them. So make an opening through your ponytail. And then grabbing the ends, you want to wrap it around your fingers like I'm showing. Grabbing the ends through the loop, you want to bring it just a little bit through. If your hair is longer than mine, make sure to wrap it around your bun before pinning it using bobby pins. And our first bun is ready. For the next one, we want to divide all our hair into 2 equal sections. Then, grabbing one of the section, you want to divide it into 2 again and twist each one way, and then you twist them around each other opposite way, creating a rope braid. Basically, you twist each strand one way and then you twist them around each other opposite way until reaching the ends. Then you want to tie it with a clear elastic to fix it, and repeat with your section left. Then, grabbing these 2 rope braids, you want to knot it 2 times. If your hair is longer, you want to knot it 1 more time. And then you want to hide the ends under your hair like I'm showing, using bobby pins and fixing it like so. Also, you want to use some grips to fix in place your bun, and you're basically done. For the next one, we want to make a ponytail, a middle to low ponytail, and last time make sure to pull your hair halfway through. Grabbing the ends, you want to make a super simple 3-strand braid. Pull it to make it voluminous. If you want, you can tie the ends so it will not unravel, but I decided to leave it as it is and wrap the braid around the bun. And tuck it into the elastic the ends like so. Also, I used some bobby pins to create a beautiful shape of my bun, and we're basically done. Next, we want to make again a low to middle ponytail, making sure everything is nice and smooth. Then you want to divide our ponytail into 2 and you want to twist it away from your face and make a knot. You want to knot it 1 more time. If your hair is longer, you want to bring it up and make a knot again. If not, you want to twist it and bring the ends up and fix it with an elastic. Pinch and pull your braid and your ends to make it full, voluminous and messy looking bun. And you're basically done. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. But that's it for today. And love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!